Alright everyone, Hagardo Versosa. So, same shirt, that's right, but different episode, different dish. So today we will gonna make sardines in oil pasta from scratch, which means everything, most of our ingredients, like 99.9% of it, we made it by ourselves, like kind of homemade. So if you missed the video how I made the pasta, there's a link below, so as how I made the sardines in oil. So before you watch this video, I recommend you to watch those two videos first and then come back in this video, then let's cook those. Alright? So pretty much you know the ingredients, but for those who haven't and got tired of watching the previous video, these are our ingredients. Right. Ingredients number 1, we just have garlic, our sardines in oil, then our 2 homemade kind of pasta that this looks like udon and this looks like macaroni that is mashed. But yeah, those are pasta. I've made that with this hand. So yeah, and just like every other pasta, you have to stir fry the garlic and then the pasta, then the sardines, and then that's it. And now we're gonna taste it. And pretty much that's it. So let's gonna cook and finish this episode. I'm not saying I'm tired, I'm just saying that yeah, let's do things quickly. Alright, and let's start. Alright, so I think this is like kind of epic sardines in oil pasta, but anyway, that's the best, that's a good thing in cooking. If we fail, we can steal it. No, not steal it, we can still eat this one. So let's try to eat. Alright, so let's try our pasta, our epic fail, sardines in oil pasta. Ooh, this is not really some kind of pasta actually. It's still hot, obviously. Oh my, wait. Not bad for the taste. I mean, it just doesn't look presentable, but it tastes good. The pasta is not pasta actually, it's just like some kind of, you know, soggy bread, and you put fish into it and you mixed it, and it's just, imagine the bread soaked with olive oil. that's the kind of taste of this one. And there's smells good also, but it's not as appealing as those in, you know, kind of commercial pasta and sardines. So I'm gonna remake this pasta in the future, but not now. Not in this series, but it's been a good experience to try everything from scratch. Now I'm some kind of eating kind of scratch food, but it tastes good. Oh yeah, it tastes good. It's my cooking, so I need to, yeah, tastes good. Alright, thank you for watching, and if you're new, like, share, subscribe, and that's all. Enjoy.